that there are many ways to fine-tune and calibrate the tool so you will get the most personalized diet and lifestyle recommendations if you feel the need to do so. Earlier on, I have already talked about the secretor status. This is one way to fine-tune your food list, as certain foods that are allowed for the secretors in your own blood group may be an avoid for the non-secretors, and vice versa. There's another system called the Genotype Diet, which divides up populations into 6 groups: hunters, gatherers, teachers, warriors, nomads, and explorers. It does have some overlaps with the blood type diet, but can be used as a standalone separate system with different food lists. There's another tool called SWAMI, which is a database-driven, web-based software that Dr. Peter Diadamo wrote himself. This is my personal favorite, and I've been using it since 2009. It's built on millions of data sets on food and genetic attributes and is constantly updated. It takes into account of your blood type, genomic data such as fingerprint patterns, biometric measurements, ethnicity, height, weight, age, personal health history, family health history, and any existing health conditions, etc. Based on the information you provide, SWAMI then generates your personal report that is unique in the whole world. You will not only get your personalized food list that highlights not only beneficials but also diamond foods, which are the ones you should emphasize the most and eat most frequently for their unique medicinal qualities. You will also get a list of genoharmonic foods. This means if you eat certain foods together in the same setting, your body will benefit by turning off the bad genes and turning on the good genes. In fact, when you follow your SWAMI food list, your healing and weight loss process will accelerate. And you will also have an extremely accurate blueprint of how to prevent diseases that your unique body is prone to as a result of your genetic attributes. Some other nice features of this tool is that there is a meal planning tool, a printable grocery list, and a recommended supplements list. Whenever you update your information, for example, if you have a newly diagnosed condition, or if your previous condition no longer exists, then SWAMI will generate an updated food list so you can always keep it relevant to your current needs. SWAMI also comes in a professional edition, but it's only accessible through a practicing naturopathic physician or physician. Beyond this, there's even a more sophisticated tool called Opus 23, which takes in the data from genetic software such as 23andMe. Personally, I have not tried it, as I find that SWAMI works beautifully for me. All of these fine-tuning tools are available to you down the road should you have the need.